Now, you may not realize that the Nasdaq 100 is entering in one of its most statistically bullish stretches at the end of June. Over the past 15 years, this large cap, tech heavy index has delivered consistent gains between June the 30th and July the 22nd, boasting a stunning 93.33% win rate and an annualized return of over 85% here at 88%. So 14 out of 15 trades closed in profit. Average returns 3.86%. The maximum gain was a stunning 7.76%, and the Sortino ratio 11.39. So very, very strong. And this bullish burst often coincides with a strong second quarter earnings seasons for tech, lower summer volume, and front running of institutional flows before broader market rotations kick in post July. So with AI names still dominating headlines and Fed policy expectations tilting more dovishly most likely into Q3, then the Nasdaq's leading growth names may once again attract early summer capital. The technical take, if you look at the Nasdaq, you can see you've got this trend line, you have this rejection of this 21,500 level, which is looking like it wants to try to hold this as support. You've got these all-time highs up here, so obviously breaking through all-time highs is going to be very important. A breakout and close retest shouldn't be unreasonable. This can also be a support area, and stops can be placed just underneath this potential trend line. You need 3 touches for a technical trend line, but because this is the extreme of the swing points, this is a very relevant swing point and a very relevant place for stops. Remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax it. Sign up here at Seasonax where you can get access to thousands more seasonal instruments just waiting to be revealed. Trade risks, all outlooks have risks, and this is no exception. Just because there's been this strong seasonal pattern, it doesn't mean that seasonal pattern will repeat itself this year. Any surprise from the Federal Reserve, hawkish tone, delayed rate cuts could sour risk appetite. Geopolitical risk is elevated at the moment, with a seemingly new danger appearing almost weekly, and a negative shock from key earnings names like Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft could also trigger broad Nasdaq weakness. So do be aware of that dynamic as we come into July.